Kiliano! Ang gandang basket ni Kiliano. Rebound by number 6. Turn around, 2 points. Number 6, Mendoza. All 2. All 2. Oras, 9 minutes exactly. Kiliano? Oras, 8 minutes and 15 seconds.
Referee kasi. Referee kasi hindi.
Labas ako. Labas ako, labas. All 2. Labas ako. Labas ako. Shoot ball, 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Basanes. Tuboy, tumira ng 3. 3 boy, nagindi. 5-2. Well, antohon mo, antohon mo. 5-2, antohon. 5-2. 7 minutes and 58. Kuya, Rico. Kuya Rico, pass to Kiliano. To Sir Edge. To Kuya Rico. 15 seconds to shoot. Well. Rain. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Good ball. Rico by Edge. Essential back. To Boy. To Wevel. No good. Rebound by number 0. Now, si Basanes. 2 points. Basanes number 5. 7-2. Basanes. Foul by jersey number 0. Labas ako. 7 minutes exactly on the clock. 7 minutes exactly on the clock. Tabihin ang ring. 6 minutes and 47. Well, taking 3. 3! Well, Cora! 7-5. 7-5 in favor of Team D. Naman kayo, Boy. 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Also for good by Boy. To Basanes. Looper shot is good. Boy. Ano pala? Basanes. 9-5. Rico. 6 minutes exactly. Very well. For 3. No good. No good. Nabasa po. Good ball po yan na. Good ball. 9-5 lamang sila. 9-5. Oras. 5 minutes and 50. Hindi, naka-3. Isa lang kanina. Naka-3. Oo. Tama lang. 9-5. Galing all 4. Ay, galing all 2 lang. 9-5. Alam mo kayo. Last basket yung ni Ruel kanina. Last basket. Kaya, to number 6, take it to no good. Rebound by number 0. Wow. Last possession before change. Labas na po. Last possession before change. Po. Boy. 2 boys. He scored na po. Basket by Boy Rindy. 11-5. I'm sorry po. 11-7 na po pala. 11-7 pala. 11-7. Basket kanina, 2-pointer by Urge. 11-7 po pala, 11-7. 11-7. 4 minutes and 13 seconds. 11-7. Kuya Rico to Giuliano sa ilalim. To Wen. Taking 3. No good, Rico 5. Number 0. 3-0 na pagkalali. Intercepted by Rain. Nakakuha ni Webel. 11-7, Webel. Webel, 2 boys! Webel, Bora! 11-9. 11-9. 11-9. 11-9 na po, 11-9. Sira ang ring. 11-9. Zero? Wow! 3 minutes and 34 seconds. 11-9. 11-9. 11-9. 11-9. 11-9. No good, rebound by number 6. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Alisa, may bala, anong vision? Ang tropa, may bala, ayun bahala, mga tropa. Tropa ko tunay. Misa na po, gitna na lang po. Gitna na lang po, gitna. O'clock na po. Misa po, gitna na po. Bola po ang team. 11-9, lamang pa rin ang Team D.
2 points lang.
11-9, Team D pa rin, 11-9. Labas na po, kagad po. Labas na po. Labas na po. Baka madali naman tayo ng Madam Hoa. To Rico. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Mora, looper shot. 2 points. Ruben Mora. All deadlock. All 11. 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Boy, taking 3. No good. Timo by Rain. Rain. To Giuliano. Giuliano. To Ruel. 2 minutes and 35. Rico. 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 Wow! Rico by Rico Mora. James Maybon. 13-11. 13-11. Sana all may photographer po. Ito, no good, may babayin. Nauna si Ruel. Last 2 minutes. Wow, by jersey number 6. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 13-11, 1 minute and 50 seconds. 13-11, dalawa lang. James Maybon na. 13-11. 16 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Rico Mora. Wow. 16-11. 16-11 po ang score. 16-11. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 16-11. Rico. Edge. 2 boys. Edge the ball. 50 seconds left. 18-11. 14 seconds left. 14 seconds left. 14 seconds left. 14 seconds. No good, 3-5. Edge. Now only number 6. Tuboy taking 3. No good, 3-5. Giuliano. Wow. 27 seconds. 27 seconds. Left. 27 seconds. Sabi mo na kayo dyan, mga idol. Mga idol talaga magtatalunan. 27 seconds. 27 seconds. Score, 18-11. 18-11. 27 seconds left. 27 seconds left. Rico. 24 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Wow. 18 seconds and 13 seconds to shot clock. 13 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds shot clock. 2 balls, Giuliano, shot clock off. 10 seconds. No good, Rico Giuliano, 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Wala na pong oras. Maraming salamat po. Hindi. Napakagandang laban. Napakagandang laban. Hindi. Wanna play by Hindi. Ito na po ang last natin. Labas na po. Team A versus Team B na naman. Hindi ba kayo nagsasawa? Kayo na po. Team A versus Team B. Team A versus Team B. Team A versus Team B. Start na po. Inom po muna. Start na. Yung papawis jersey po natin is available lang po sa page. PM lang po ako para sa details. And eligible po kayo pag may jersey. Kasali na po kayo sa Team A ng Papawis Liga ng Swish Unity. Versus, ano ba po, yung kalaban is secret pa po. Sa poster na lang makikita. Maraming salamat.